Welcome to another incredible miniature construction journey. Today we're transforming a handful of tiny stones into a breathtaking medieval castle, one carefully crafted step at a time. Watch as the foundation comes together with precision. The towering walls rise brick by brick, and every arch, tower, and rooftop takes shape through satisfying time-lapse craftsmanship. Every detail, from the weathered stone textures built to create a realistic world in miniature. Every detail, from the weathered stone textures to the miniature landscaping, is built to create a realistic world in miniature. It's amazing how patience, creativity, and thousands of tiny details can turn a simple idea into a masterpiece. And now, the castle stands complete, surrounded by lush scenery, and ready to tell its own medieval story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next miniature build.